Here's a bedroom, a guest bedroom. This is located on the back of the home. There are your new Pella double hung windows in this room as well. Hello, welcome friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video here in the Villages, Florida. I am in the village of Lynn Haven. I do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood framed home I would like to show you. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, welcome. My name is Tim. Thank you for liking and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Lynn Haven in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood framed home. This is a very unique home because it has a 1.5 car garage and it also has a golf cart garage off to the side. These are very rare to find. I am in the village of Lynn Haven. This home is offered at $309,000. First, I will start by taking a panoramic view of the street. I will pan left. That is facing north, friends. I will pan right. That is facing south. As I walk up to this home, I do notice it has a very deep setback, very mature landscaping, very nice shade tree here in the front of the home. It does have a cement driveway that is in very good condition. You can see this home is very well kept. As always, friends, if you have any questions about this home, please contact your listing agent, Chuck Wilsey, at Worth Clark Realty. As I walk to the front of this home, I do notice it has a very nice cement walkway leading to the front of the home that's in very good condition. There is your roof line. That roof has been replaced in the year 2020. It does have stone landscaping as well. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Here I am in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is this beautiful ceramic tile floor throughout this home. It does have very high cathedral ceilings as well with acoustic texture. Off to the right, you will see a kitchen area with Formica countertops. It does have a solar tube as well. That kitchen area does have recessed lighting, stainless refrigerator. The dishwasher is new from what I was told. This kitchen does have a natural gas stove, white cabinets. That is a new Pella window, double hung window. This home does have new Pella windows throughout. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Off to the right of the kitchen, you will see a closet and a door that leads out into the garage. Let's take a look at this garage. This is a 1.5 car garage with a golf cart garage as well. That golf cart is a gas golf cart. It does go with the home. You do see it has laundry in the garage. There is your HVAC system that was replaced in the year 2017. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. This would be your kitchen pantry. Right there is your kitchen pantry. It's at the end of the hallway. Off to the right of the living area is your primary bedroom. It does have the ceramic tile floor in that primary bedroom. Does have new Pella double hung windows, acoustic texture ceiling as well. There is your primary bathroom. Primary bathroom has Formica countertops, one sink, acoustic textured ceilings. This home does have 6-panel raised doors. There is your commode space. It does have a 48-inch shower that is plastic or fiberglass. There is your shower. This is your linen closet in your primary bathroom. There is your linen closet. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing, I do appreciate it. Next I will walk into the primary bedroom walk-in closet. You do see the ceramic tile floors continuing in this walk-in closet. Very neutrally decorated home. I will walk into the Lanai area next. It is a temperature controlled Lanai. It does have carpeted floor. Lots of windows. Those are either glass or acrylic windows. This is temperature controlled. There is your air conditioning unit that controls the temperature in this lanai. The back of this home does face east. Let's walk outside. They do have a patio area as well with a cement right there. Cement patio. This is the backyard. Friends, that is the back of your home. There is your roof line. That roof was installed in the year 2020. Let's go back into the home. I will show you the guest quarters next. This is a split bedroom design home, and your guest quarters is on the opposite side of the home as your primary bedroom. Here's a bedroom, a guest bedroom. This is located on the back of the home. There are your new Pella double hung windows in this room as well. Very neutrally decorated. Acoustic textured ceilings. This is the guest bathroom. Ceramic tile floors continue. It does have a tub and shower surround that is plastic or fiberglass. There's your white vanity, Formica countertops, one sink, acoustic textured ceilings. Give you a closer look of the tub and shower surround. This is a guest bedroom that's located in the front of the home. You do see the ceramic tile floors, acoustic textured ceilings, double hung Pella windows that are newer. This bedroom does have a closet, bifold doors, raised panel. That is your closet, friends. I will video the specification sheet of this home as well to give you an idea. This guest area you can close off with a sliding pocket door. As always, friends, please contact your listing agent, Chuck Wilsey, at Worth Clark Realty. This home is located at 875 Reed Terrace in the village of Lynn Haven. Price is $309,000, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, Feel free to pause the video at any point to read the specification sheet. That is your specification sheet right there, friends. This is page 2 of your specification sheet. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Here's one last panoramic view of this home. Very good condition. Very reasonably priced as well. I will now exit this home. I'll head out to the street. I'll give you a panoramic view of the street. As I head out this home, I will show you what the view looks like. Very deep setback. Very mature landscaping. That is panning right as you stand here in the doorway. That is panning left. I do appreciate it. That is the street panning right. It is a very quiet street. As always, friends, if you have questions about the home, please contact your listing agent, Chuck Wilsey. That is his contact information at Worth Clark Realty. I will give you one last panoramic view of the street, of the home. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. That is your home there, friends. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, wood-framed home located here in the village of Lynn Haven, here in the Villages, Florida. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this home tour with me here in the village of Lynn Haven. This 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed home is offered at $309,000. Have a great week, everyone.